Hey, POE. I just wanted to share with you how to get RobotC set up on your computer, which you'll have to do through Microsoft Remote Desktop. Okay, so I've basically got the three basic steps to start the process here. All right, so first you want to install Microsoft Remote Desktop. Like it says, you might have to prompt it twice. I did. You'll just have to see what happens. But to do that, you're going to go through your manager. All right. And you will go to My Apps. For you guys, it's at the bottom, not where it is on mine. I pause while we're waiting. Okay, and once it finishes, yeah, you can, I find these just to scroll down until you see Microsoft in here. All right, and you're gonna do Microsoft Remote Desktop and install. Okay, so the problem I had the first time was I hit install and it just said processing underneath it and nothing really happened. Okay, so I gave it a good like 20 minutes or so and kept checking in the Launchpad and in Finder applications to see if it had finished, which of course now it has, but I was looking for it there, nothing was coming up. So if it does that, you know what, just quit Manager, come back to it, do it again. And what it should say when it's really doing it is it'll actually show you a bar where it's installing, okay, and it'll say like setting up or something like that. So that's how you know it's really working. You see a little bar and it, progress bar. Okay, so once you get remote desktop set up or installed, what you will want to do is go to this website, okay, and I should put this in the directions as well. It's called rds.smsd.org /rd web. Okay, I'm going to copy that and put that in here. So this will be the first kind of step to make this happen. All right, and once you go there, okay, you will see a couple RobotCs in here. Do not pick this first one. We do not want that, okay? The one you're gonna want, that's gonna be what's gonna work for us this semester will be this last one, okay? The RobotC with little computer. All right, so you'll click that and it will start to download, okay? When it downloads, you can, I'll just show you what that process will look like. All right, so I would do this. I would do show in Finder. I pretty much do this with every file I download. I have it show me where it's downloaded like into my computer. That way I can organize it the way I want it to be. You will rename this. That'd be the best thing to do. All right, so you double click on it. That should do it. And nope, that's gonna open it, my bad. How about we do, oh boy, let's back up here. A right click, okay, or control click, do rename, and then just call it RobotC. Okay, you might have to click on it again and then, yeah, activate it, RobotC. All right, so I've already done that, so I'm gonna not do that right now. And what you'll want to do is move it to your desktop, okay, once you have it. All right, so then what you'll see in your desktop is, let me try to minimize everything real quick here and close out of this because we're done with it. You should see it, yeah, on your desktop. Double click, and it's going to make you sign in. I believe you do not need to put your @smsd.org at the end of it. I think it's just like your normal MacBook login here. All right. And the first time you do this, where it opens the remote desktop, right now I don't think you can see it because the way it's set up on the screen right now. First time it has you do this, it might take it a long time. It's kind of like it's setting up a new computer for you. So if you ever log into a computer in my classroom, the very first time you log in, it takes that computer a while to configure your settings, all right? So it's kind of similar. But you'll need to basically make this full screen so you can see the RobotC on the side. Okay, there it is. You do not want graphical, you want this one, all right? You'll double click and then you'll operate it within Microsoft Remote Desktop, okay? So I'm gonna stop this video and we're gonna do another video about how to set up RobotC for your purposes for our project.